Hi, welcome back to day number 2 of our 28-day challenge for Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Yesterday we shifted mind, relaxed and focused mind, just focusing on one thing. Body, ergonomic standing position. And breath, long, slow, deep breaths. Today we're going to do body scans. Scanning for tension and releasing it. We're going to relax from head to toe. We're going to use interoception, our sense of feeling, to be able to notice the tension and to let go of it. The first step of that is to turn your attention inward. Do a check-in and notice, how do you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally? Now we're going to let go, release, relax the tension that we are storing in our body without even knowing it. So first we notice it. We do a body scan from head to toe. Let's separate the body into 3 parts. The front of the body, the back of the body, and inside the body, internally. Starting with the front of the body, scanning from head to toe. Put your attention at the scalp. It may help to close your eyes if you feel safe, to be able to use your interoception to feel the state of your scalp. See if you can actually feel how your scalp is. Are you holding tension? Move on to your forehead. How about your forehead? Any wrinkles? Are you tensing up your forehead muscles? Relax, soften your forehead. Relax all the muscles of your face. Soften, releasing tension. And this is like you're releasing tension and it's just falling off, rolling off. Let the jaw hang open. You cannot relax with clenched teeth or with clenched muscles of any type. So search for muscular tension. Soften the throat. Release tension in the chest, in the core. And as you release tension, especially like in the core and legs, your body will drift a little bit as it releases that tension. You want it to relax into your structure, releasing tension in your hips and your legs. You may have noticed me using a sigh of relief there, which releases the internal tension and also helps the external tension release. Start back at the top of the head. Place your attention at the back of your head where your head meets the pillow. Soften, release, move down to your neck. You may feel when we get to the neck and shoulders, you want to move around a little bit. Release some of the tension, shake it off. That's great. Go with your intuition. Soften and release the muscles of your neck and shoulders and your back on both sides of the spine from top to bottom. Your hips, your glutes, and the back of your legs. And scan for internal tension. It may be mental. It may be emotional. It may feel like it's stuck or stored, and try to release it with a sigh of relief, making the ha sound. It's like a stress release valve. One more time, inhale. Let the front part of the body soften and release tension. Breathing in, release tension and let the back of the body settle. Inhale again and release internal tension. Now inhale and let everything go. Today, we learned the practice of scanning for and releasing tension. Relaxing is not something that we do naturally. We tend to get stressed out and get worked up and brace and get ready to go. This is slow. This is reversing. This is slamming on the brakes. And this is shedding that tension. This gets better with practice. And I hope you will practice with me tomorrow.